Hey YouTube, what's going on? Mark here. Happy Wednesday to all. And this is the last, guess what? We finally stocked up on ketchup, so you know what that means. Even though unfortunately this is the last one of season 3 of Winter Wonderland, because we only got 4 weeks to the 3-day finale vlog. So that's what I'm gonna do this year, the 3-day finale vlog. More on that at the end of the video. So today we're gonna be doing what we should have done a while ago. Cooking waffle fries in the air fryer. I used to have a hard time with this shit, like long time ago. But then as soon as I asked, my mom for help and how to do it properly, I got it mastered. So I figured, why not show it to you guys? So, anyway, without further ado, let's get cooking with these things. And this is how you cook 2 batches of waffle fries in the air fryer the right way. First, you set the temperature to 375, and for the first batch, and here's the thing though, you got to do it properly. You can't put too much in there, otherwise you'll have to keep cooking it over and over again to the point where not every single one's going to be all cooked. So then you set it to let's see here, 12 minutes for Hello Newman for the first batch. And then you pour the bag of fries, just a certain amount, into a little bucket right here. So where the air fryer holds the food to be cooked. So here we go. Gently. You don't want to put too much in there because if you want 2 batches, I don't like to have just a shitload lot like in the bowl. Then you have to only do a very few amount both times in order to get proper results. You can't fill it up to the top, but that's what basically I'm trying to say. No matter how good they seem to taste or seem to be, I think that's enough. I'll show you a sneak preview. For both batches, if you want a big ass bowl with the shitload of it to tear up like Terry Labonte, this is the way, and you have to set it for 12 minutes and to cook it for 375 degrees. And so the first batch would have to be 12 minutes. And the second batch would have to be 10 minutes. So therefore, unless it's, I think that's the way it is. But anyway, then you start like this. And then at halfway, we're going to stop it, like we always do, to make sure it's properly cooking. All right, we officially reached the halfway point where this is where we stop and check it. So far, so good. Now, put it back in there, and now we wait. Labonte, Skinner, Earnhardt, Rusty, Park, Sprague. All right, let's check it. Yeah, let's feel it. You know what? I think I'm going to do it for 3 more minutes, but we're going to do that off camera. I'll see y'all for the second batch. Number 2, which will be cooked for 10 minutes, throwing it down like Johnny Benson. So, same as before, don't put too much here in order to get proper results. So, okay. The easier way to do this, if is just pick them out one by one and put them into the holder thingamajig, whatever it's called, instead of just pouring them all out to avoid pouring too much in there by accident, if you know what I mean. I think this would be the easier way to do it. It's slow, but it's easier. You just rush it, it becomes more complicated. It may seem easy, but it's not as easy as it seemed, or you know what I mean? And just put a couple more in here and then we're done. All right, that's enough. I'll show it to you guys. All right, this is the amount we put in there. Let's see if it actually fits in there properly. It does. And then we cook it for 10 minutes and same temperature as before, 375. So therefore, throwing it down like Johnny Benson and Junior Elliott Benson. There you go. Now we check it at 5 minutes for Texas Terry Levante to make sure it's cooking properly. All right, the camera was a little bit delayed in starting the recording, but we're gonna check it right now. Well, that doesn't look too bad. All right. So I would have counted down from 10, 2001 through 2003 when NASCAR Winston Cup style for the first batch, but my mom distracted me. Kind of like, you know, that sounds like something she would do. So I will meet you when we count down from 10, 10 seconds, Winston Cup NASCAR Charles Winter 2003 style. And I'm sorry for the camera, starting the recording so delayed because why. What else could go wrong in this bitch, even if it's minor? Benson, Elliott, Junior, Spencer, Martin, Labonte, Skinner, Earnhardt, Rusty, Park, Sprague. Time to check it out like Kevin LePage. Yeah, let's cook it in there for an additional 5 minutes, because I did say 3 the last time, but I did 5, so that's what we're gonna do right here. So okay, when they're done, we'll come back to you. So we're gonna pause for channel identification. Just like that, the waffle fries are all done and ready to eat. So therefore, time to wrap up this video. What was the final cooking video of season 3 of Winter Wonderland? So in the end, you guys got 2 cooking videos this winter as opposed to 3. But as we've learned many times throughout the past year and a half, history doesn't always repeat itself. So I hope I can bring you guys more and more, next year with, baking the sugar cookies with my mom, with assistance from my sister over FaceTime voice only and how to do it correctly. Unlike the one how it went wrong where all but 6 got burned up. If we're going to look at our failure there, link in the description. Hopefully we can also sneak in next year for season 4 Winter Wonderland in 2024-25 where me and my mom and grandma cook pesto noodles together. So therefore, 2 is better than nothing. We're lucky we got 2. We could have just got 1 with that what did we cook? Oh my god, what was that we cooked this year? The burgers, yeah, we could have just done 1 with the burgers, but man, I was drawing a blank there for a second, but 2 is pretty damn good. So therefore, and we got 4 weeks left till the season 3 finale of Winter Wonderland, and this is what I wanted to address. So therefore, when we get to March 8th through the 10th, I think it is, we're going to do a 3-day vlog. We're going to start on Friday, continue on Saturday, and end on Sunday. And so that's how it's go. Winter Wonderland season, this season is going to end because we did like a 1-day Friday special in 2022, March 2022. We did a 2-day real-time vlog style documentary in season 2 last year. But don't expect me to do that one in particular ever again because that was a one-time thing. This year it's going to be a 3-day vlog. So therefore, I look forward to bringing it all to you. The next 2 videos after today will be the Spurs Cavs version 2 tomorrow and Kelly Berglund's Ricky Red 28th birthday tribute on Friday. So have a good night tonight and a better day tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Good night, and I will see you all for the next 2 videos this coming tomorrow and the day after for Spurs Cavs version 2 that was recorded in San Antonio over this past weekend, and of course the video we can never pass up each and every year, but this time we won't throw Isabella Gomez in there, to make it easier on ourselves. Our #1 actress of all time, Kelly Michelle Berglund, aka Brie Davenport Oliveras, for her Ricky Rudd 28th birthday. Live in La Vida Lab Rats. See you later, everyone.